Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. When you select a cell or a range of cells in Google Sheets, you will notice a blue ellipse at the right bottom corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. If you keep the mouse on top of it, it becomes a black cross sign and enables us to copy or fill values or series of values to other cells by just pressing on the left mouse button and dragging it. As you saw earlier, if I select the cell having the value 1 and pull it down, it will copy the value 1 to the other cells as I am dragging. Now I am adding value 2 below 1, selecting both these cells and dragging the fill handle. You can see that the number series has got filled till the cell I drag the fill handle. You can fill in even numbers or odd numbers or any similar type of number series by just changing the way you fill the series. For regular series like numbers, dates, days, etc., you can just press the Ctrl key and drag to get the series filled. You can copy formulas also in the same manner. If you have data in adjacent columns and want to copy series or formula to the full length of the table, and if you have kept autofill on, Google will ask if it can autofill the data. You can click yes to fill the data, or else you can just double click on the fill handle and you are done. This is very useful when you have lot of data to work with. Try different combinations of series and see how the fill handle can be useful to you. That's all from me in this very short session. We'll catch up with more interesting topics in the coming sessions. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.